Okay, good morning. I'm Emmanuel. Welcome to Emma's Digital Link. Alright, this morning, okay, if you're in the morning, or afternoon, or evening, good day to everyone. This tutorial is basically on small businesses that you can do and make money at home, or at a shop, or as a part-time job, as in Nigerian, basically in Nigeria. So, what I'm going to lay emphasis on this day, on this tutorial, is how to make money selling data bundle airtime at discounted rates of all network: MTN, Glo, 9Mobile, Airtel. So I'm going to talk so much and how to sell data bundle in Nigeria. You can be in your room and you'll be selling. You have a lot of clients, a lot of customers, all your contacts on your phone. You can keep messaging them that you are selling data. So that's what I'm going to lay emphasis on. Okay, let's get down to business. Alright, to start data bundle business is very simple and very straightforward. The simple, what's it called, a website that you can use to sell data both at night. You don't need much capital. Once you log on the website, and with just a small capital of like 3,000 naira, you can use 5,000, you can use 10,000, based on how much you have at hand. You can use it to sell data on the website. So the site is smeplug.ng. that is SMEPLUN.ng. So once you log in, you sign up, you will be required to fund your wallet with the minimum of 3,000 naira. Once you fund it, so from that 3,000 naira, not that you are making a non-refundable payment, that 3,000 naira you're going to use it to be selling data. That is, once you fund your wallet on the website with 3,000 naira, you'll be able to be selling all network. You can sell MTN 1 gig for 290. There was a time it was sold for 300 naira. There was a time it was at 330. So you can sell it at 400 naira at your own convenience. If you think you want to have a profit of 100 naira, 110 naira to yourself, there are still some people that are still selling for 400 naira. So you can sell 400 naira and make your own profit. I'm talking about MTN now. That is, your cost price is 290 and you can sell at 400 naira. You make a profit of 110 naira on a gig, on a 1 gig MTN data. So that means if you can sell for up to like 10 people in a day, that means you have a profit of about 1,100 naira to yourself in a day. So I believe with this you should be able to take care of yourself with this while you are in your room. Lockdown period, coronavirus, you'll be able to make money while you are still inside your room. So, and likewise, it goes to other networks, your Glo and Airtel, Etisalat, which is 9Mobile. So you will be able to sell it on the website on SMEplug.ng. So once you sign up and you fund your wallet, you'll be able to sell to your customer.